what's the safest way to scale Amazon ads without losing profitability? When it comes down to, if you want to scale, let's assume that you want to scale, that price for scaling is going to cost you, right? You might be testing new things, you might be doubling down on things that work, yet still you're going to spend more. So when it comes down to safest way to scale without losing profitability, I think here you have to really ask the question, okay, so what is my 3 months goal? Do I want to gain additional market share? If yes, then probably you're going to test things that you don't know exactly also how they are working, because you might be targeting a category that is a more broader category. What you're going to do, you're going to generate more eyeballs to the product, but there's no 100% way of making sure that you are actually going to get sales. So here my question to you is, if you want to do the safest way to scale on Amazon, first off, just make sure that you're going to spend on things that already you know it work, and it might be just the budget needs to be adjusted, just it needs to be increased, right? That is one of the safest way to scale without losing necessarily profitability. Because there, what you're doing, you're not even optimizing any bits, but you're allowing only the campaign to just get more money for something that already works. So that is one of the safest ways. Second way, how you can do it is, if you want to scale with products that already work. Most of the time what I'm seeing is that whenever someone wants to scale, they're just going to, hey, okay, here's my full catalog, just run ads for it. And then I'm like, okay, we can run ads for it, but then you have to be aware of the fact that we wanted to sell product A, right? Let's say we wanted to sell this remote. Now, if I'm throwing in this remote and also the headphones, these two are two different person who are going to buy, right? Maybe the one who is looking for remote is not looking for a headphone as well. So then it's going to become which of the products actually is more profitable for me and which of the products I do want to push on market to gain additional market share. So those are the things that right now come top of mind that I can say that they are safest. Again, it's still testing and seeing what works, what does not. Because even when you're just increasing the budget, and it can sometimes happen that you're increasing the budget and the budget is going to go to, things that you hoped it's going to work, and then suddenly something is changing. So that's why I'm saying that, we want to make sure that it's as safe as possible. And the way how we're doing that, we're controlling our knowns and we're not controlling our unknowns. Like here, for example, launching different campaigns for product that you have not tested.